You know, you see things on a train you can never see by car.
Doing the trip by train, you go where the road doesn't, and so you see different parts of the country.
You've got the mountain views, you've got the coastal views, you've got the plains, you've got the prairies, the forests, you've got it all.
I think this train is special. We have been very lucky with that beautiful day.
It's very bright, very light, very airy, a very open feel to it. It's almost like you're outside, but you don't have to be outside.
To be able to experience such a relaxing way of travelling, not have the stress, and to be able to look around and see, you know, all the wonderful landscape that New Zealand has to offer. Who could want more?